flipping through my marble floor, dropping this track. You already wanting more. God gives me everything. We playing for the people who keep hating. Teachers say we couldn't.
What's up, Arielise? Right now, I'm about to get ready to decorate my Christmas decorations and stuff. Hey, Granny. Well, let's get started.
Stop, Colton. Don't play with that. Stop, Colton.
It literally feels like I'm opening a present. Hey, Papa.
Turn the light on here.
A tree.
Yeah.
It's not a tree. Yes, it is. Guys, he doesn't even think his brother thinks this is a tree. Oh!
How are you gonna put that up on the fireplace? She wants you to get that. Put it on the kitchen table.
Hey, this is something there.
Either tape. Mm-mm. That end is bent. The right end. The right end.
What?
The right end.
Oh.
Jaden really need to be helping you.
Ho, ho, ho. Good, ho, ho, ho. Good, ho, ho, ho. Good, ho, 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 ho. Good, ho, 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 ho.
Noel. Noel. Born in 16.
And it's blue. Let's see what it is. Let's see it. And oh. One. That's not a one. That's an L. L. What is it? What is that when you flip it over? L.
It was an L for him. It was turning his way.
Okay, Jaden, come on. Come on. You want that one, baby? You want that. Wait, lights, action, camera. And then Jordan, you're on control this thing. Jaden! Come on. What are we spelling?
No L.
No
We
L.
just said no L.
N-O.
You need to read the Bible. Yes.
Can you come on? Okay. Here, cut these. Wait, cut them. Actually, you hold these. And these.
They're gonna be getting people nervous. Yes, it's all right.
Are you gonna help?
I just be talking to the camera like y'all right here.
Fold. Not fold it. You want the? Give me the. Okay, place them down. Give me the end. Good job. You want to pass it to Gia?
Yeah.
Hold it just like that. You're not holding it to the other side.
Take the wreath down.
Good. Now go.
Put the thumbtack on the wall now, lower.
Now pull.
Lower.
Yes. So now it'll hold the end up.
No.
Put the end down.
Down.
Now put the thumbtack exactly where it's supposed to go. You're just putting it in the wall.
Oh, dear, pole. What a pole. You're not pole.
Poke.
Yeah, pole. Open my hand.
Now it goes in.
It hurts.
Yes, of course it does. Make you bleed.
Where should be that?
Just set it up there for right now and then go to the E. Just slant it up there for now and go to the E. So you need to make sure it's measured correctly. But that O is too spaced out. It's not a word, it's a name that's used around Christmas. Then go look it up if you can stand here and talk about it.
I would do that. Right here, I never did.
Dear, want your door. Mom, you want your door.
Yeah.
Yeah, one right here.
Okay.
Yeah, one here. Here. Here.
Why the L look weird? Okay. Great job.
Okay, moving on. JD.
Now the wreath.
Now we.
Jaden, give her a piece of tape.
Ow. What?
Let's see how it is up there if it covers the end. Yeah, it don't need to go up there. It needs to go around the fireplace.
I just said it doesn't need to go up there because it covers the metal. So it needs to go up under the fireplace. Okay, that's too long. Half of it. Yes. Give it the other one. Right
One down and give it the other one.
Golly.
And then you put it around the thin part of it. Stop coating.
Mom, get more tape. Right here.
Yeah, let me see.
See?
Bring it to me. Here. Here. Here.
Alright, close it for real.
Here. Here. You understand what I'm saying?
Here.
Go on.
Here.
There. Okay, then. You gotta put it around all the thin parts. Huh? All the thin parts?
Yeah.
Okay, right here.
That's my friend.
Who your friend?
Bush.
Bush?
Yeah.
Why are you taking that off?
Listen and
Please don't destroy the snowman coating.
So guys, I found these in the box.
See, I
that box. I feel like
She
they
knows.
go to these to like put them on the bottom and then like stand them up. So that's what I'm gonna do. Let's just stick it in the center.
Hey mom, hey that there. Oh ho ho.
Next letter.
Next word. A.
Wait.
A. That one.
I feel like these go on the top. Somehow.
They do not.
Oh.
That was the whole point of you supposed to be reading the directions. One's for something else and the other one is for something else.
Oh, go right here.
No.
Go. No, right here. Ow, it's
Next
because
letter.
it's a brown. Help me, help me, help me.
Colton, please do not take that black thing off. You're going to get in trouble. Do you understand me?
Okay. I'll take this.
Yeah, Daddy. Oh, Tracy's. Honey, look.
Yeah, those are like cherry. They're
The
big.
E is probably going to need to.
Tracy's so good. Yeah, I eat. Yeah.
The O.
You need to. You need to work on the L and the E. Just put it in there and move forward, please.
It's supposed to be one on one end and one on the other end.
Look, these are trees. Look at tree nuts. These are tree nuts. Yeah, tree nuts. Tree nuts.
Tree.
Yeah.
Tree.
Yeah,
You mean tree?
tree nuts. So nuts.
Where's the star go?
A circle.
Okay, so move the thumbtacks and put the L up.
Go oh dear. Show. Show oh dear.
Yeah. No. Ow.
Oh sorry dear.
Up or? Oh wait. Never mind.
Mommy, circle. Mommy, circle. Mom, a circle. That's right. Thank you.
No, L is spelled N-O-E-L, just so you know.
Now eat.
Not eat. See? Now just set it down. Get down. Again.
Hit it like you don't